Hi guys, welcome back to another farming video. Now in today's video I'll be showing you guys my sweet pepper farm. Now in this video I also have melon and cucumber, but today my main focus is on sweet peppers. Bell peppers, commonly known as sweet peppers, is the fruit of the plant. It comes in a wide variety of colors: red, yellow, orange, green, and purple. But here in Jamaica, you will mostly see red, yellow, and green. Now, sweet pepper can also be planted indoor as well as outdoor, so it can be planted in a greenhouse as well. Yes, guys, the ground really want weeding. I think I'm going to do that next week. And I'm going to show you guys when the ground is weeded. Now guys, it's the drought period, and trust me, I have to be handwetting this area of the ground because I don't have any irrigation on this part. So all them drums you see up there is catchment for water, because I have to buy water on a regular basis, because trust me, in this drought period you have to water like every single day. See, those are the drums up there. So I'm handwetting right now, and trust me, it's very tiring. Very tiring. It's a struggle for this ground, trust me. That's why you see the cucumber behaving like that, because cucumber love water and I don't have enough water to give the cucumber. And whenever fertilizing the ground, you have to be very careful. I do it like that because if the rain fall, I don't want the fertilizer to burn the plant. So I dig a trench and I put the fertilizer in there just in case the rain fall. This is what you want to do. You want to use a stick and dig a trench like hole. You want to be very careful for the fertilizer not to touch the leaf of the plant, because trust me, it will burn the plant. And you cover it back with the mulching and you're good to go. As you can see, those sweet peppers are blossoming, very healthy. You see those cucumber leaves, they don't like the drought, trust me, and I can't manage to give them the amount of water they need. So that's why my main focus is on the sweet peppers right now, because I have more sweet peppers because this was basically just a sweet pepper ground, and I go through and I plant some melon and cucumber in there as well. And whenever farming, you don't want to farm one crop, trust me. You don't want to farm one crop. You want to put some little something through there as well. If you want to add your little cucumber, your little melon or something, you can go ahead and do that. So one cucumber there, very healthy, even though the plant isn't so healthy at all. You see guys, tell you, it's drought. That's why them weed don't like that. Have to water them regular, keep them healthy. But it's very hard here in St. Elizabeth because there's no irrigation water, so you have to buy water from the water truck, and it's very expensive, trust me. Very expensive. And in this part of the video, I think I have already weeded, so you don't see any weeds in here anymore. There, ground is very clean, there is no weeds. Hi guys, it's now reaping season for my sister. Watch her up your smile. Reaping season, guys. Who want melon can come for a melon. Can come for melon, well big and fruitful. Catch it. Now look there, see there? Guys, as you can see, right now I dry with a period, so I water, we have to water them by with hand wet them with water. Look for me and dry with her. Look for me with woman water and carrying. Yo. are just the blessings, the blessings, the blessings. Just the blessings, guys.